Hey friends, AviPhysio here. If you wanted to start with the bodyweight squat and were unsure how to do so because you were unsure of the technique, I got two variations which I'm going to teach you in this video. The squat is such an amazing exercise and it has a whole heap of benefits, from muscle strengthening to muscle toning to cardiovascular fitness, etc. The problem is that some people tend to shy away from these complex exercises because they're unsure of the technique. The two variations that I'm describing in this video may not be as intense as a full bodyweight squat. However, you're still going to get the same benefits. This variation of the squat is the wall squat. As the name suggests, you find a wall, have your back and head firmly placed in it, and bend the knees, and that's your squat. And as you can see there, my back is in a straight position and there's a lot of impact on the quadriceps. And this targets the quads more. The next variation that I'm going to show you will target the glutes a lot more. Something you can do towards the end of your squats or as a separate set is get into the flex knee position and just hold. And this is known as the wall sit or the wall sit squat. I'm not even sure if it's called the wall sit squat. I just made that up right now. Anyways, enjoy. For this next variation, you hold on to something in front of you, like a burglar guard or trellis gate, even a balustrade like so. Have your feet in line with your hands and sit on an imaginary object or imaginary chair behind you. And as you can see, without any effort at all, my hips and my spine are in a good alignment. When you're doing the exercise, be mindful not to use too much of pressure on your hands and as you're using mostly your legs, because this is a squat and not a row after all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found benefit in it, please share, like, or leave a comment. In the meantime, guys, stay safe and stay strong.